Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 6th, 2025, and we're diving into ProFrac's recently released earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. ProFrac's report provides a comprehensive look at their financial performance and strategic initiatives over the past year, and I'm excited to break it down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. ProFrac reported a total revenue of $2.19 billion for the full year 2024, which is a decrease from $2.63 billion in 2023. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to pricing pressures and seasonal budget exhaustion, particularly in the fourth quarter. Despite these challenges, ProFrac managed to generate an adjusted EBITDA of $501 million, which is 23% of their revenue. This indicates that while revenue was down, they maintained a focus on operational efficiencies.
And what about their profitability?
ProFrac reported a net loss of $208 million for the year, compared to a net loss of $59 million in 2023. This was influenced by several factors, including adverse weather conditions and pricing pressures. However, their free cash flow remained positive at $185 million, showcasing their ability to generate cash despite the challenging environment.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. ProFrac operates through several segments. Can you give us an overview of their performance?
Absolutely. The Stimulation Services segment generated $1.91 billion in revenue, contributing significantly to the company's overall performance. The Proppant Production segment brought in $247 million, while the Manufacturing segment added $223 million. Each segment faced its own set of challenges, but they also made strategic moves to enhance future performance.
Speaking of strategic moves, ProFrac launched Livewire Power in the fourth quarter. What does this mean for the company?
Livewire Power is a strategic venture aimed at meeting the growing demand for flexible and efficient power generation solutions, particularly in remote locations. This initiative aligns with ProFrac's focus on innovation and could open new revenue streams, especially as demand for electric frac technology grows.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 32 cents based on a survey of 4 analysts. How does ProFrac's actual performance compare to these expectations?
While the report doesn't specify the actual adjusted EPS, the net loss and other financial metrics suggest that ProFrac faced significant challenges in meeting analyst expectations. The market reaction will likely depend on how investors perceive the company's strategic initiatives and future outlook.
Do you think the market will react positively or negatively?
It's a mixed bag. The strategic initiatives like Livewire Power and the stabilization of pricing could be seen positively. However, the overall financial performance, particularly the net loss, might weigh on investor sentiment. It will be interesting to see how the market digests this information.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking ahead, what can we expect from ProFrac in terms of operational efficiencies and market positioning?
ProFrac has made significant strides in improving hydraulic fracturing efficiency, surpassing the peak levels seen in the third quarter of 2024. They've increased their active fleet count by over 25% and have seen pricing stabilize, which bodes well for future revenue and profitability.
And what about their outlook for 2025?
The company is optimistic about 2025, expecting a sizable improvement in revenues and profitability in the first quarter relative to the fourth quarter of 2024. This is driven by increased activity and improved operational efficiencies, particularly in their Proppant Production segment.
Key takeaways. In summary, ProFrac faced a challenging year with a decline in revenue and an increased net loss. However, their strategic initiatives and focus on operational efficiencies provide a positive outlook for 2025. John, any final thoughts?
ProFrac's ability to adapt and innovate, as seen with the launch of Livewire Power, positions them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic execution and market conditions in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on ProFrac's performance in the comments below.